Good morning to everyone. In this lecture, ECI 551 Communication Network, the Unit 5 Application Layer. Today, we will discuss the topic World Wide Web. The World Wide Web is information linked together from a point all over the world. The WWW has a unique combination of flexibility, portability, and user-friendly from other services provided by the internet. The architecture, the WWW today is a distributed client server service in which a client using a browser can access a service using a server. However, the service provided is distributed over many locations, that is called a site. Each site hold one or more document referred to a web pages. Each web pages can contain a link to other pages in the same site or other site. The client need to see some information that belong to the site. It send a request through a browser, a program that is designed fetch web document. The request among other informations including the address of the site and the web pages called a URL, that is a uniform resource locator, which we will discuss shortly. The server at site A find the document and send it to the client. We see the architecture of World Wide Web. The server at site A find the document and send it to the client. When the user view the document, he find some reference to the other document including the web pages at site B. The reference has the URL for the new site. The user is also interested in seeing this document. The client send another request to this new site and the new pages is retrieved. So the client side, we see the client side process. A variety of vendors offered commercial browsers that interpret and display a web document and all use nearly the same architecture. Each browser usually consists of three parts. Number one, a controller, client protocol, and interpreters. The controller receives input from the keyboard or mouse and use the client programs to access the document. After the document he has been accessed, the controller uses one of the interpreter to display the document on the screen. The client protocols can be one of the protocols such as FTP and HTTP. The interpreters can be HTML, Java or JavaScript depending upon the type of document. In the server side, the web pages is stored at the server. Each time a client request arrives, the corresponding document is sent to the client. To important efficiency, server normally store the requested files in a cache in a memory. The memory is faster to the access than disk. A server can also become more efficient through the multi-threading or processing. In this case, a server can answer more than one request at a time. Thank you for watching this video.